Welcome back to Blue's 2-Minute Garden Tips. Growing basil part 2. Our basil is definitely germinated, and as you'll see here, over time, it starts to grow. And it's actually getting too big for its pot, so now's the time to pot up a little bit, do some transplanting. Once they get to be pretty much overstuffed, I'm going to start to separate things out. Make sure the soil is a little bit damp, not soaked, but a little bit damp. And you're going to want to sort of tip your little growing pot over and tap it gently. And for me, I like to split up the basil into 4 quarters. And I'm going to take 2 of the quarters and sort of put them opposite each other inside the next size up pot. I'm going to add in some growing potting soil, not seed starter, but some potting soil. Pack it in a little bit. Make sure there's no air down by the roots. Pack it in a bit. Tap it in. Same thing. The next set of basil, the dark opal, I'm going to split it into 2 quarters that I'll put inside this pot. Opposite quarters, again, fill it with some more growing potting soil, not seed starter. Pack it in a little bit with your thumb. Give it plenty of taps. Make sure there's no air down below. For me, I'm fine with it being in this size pot. These are going to be on my windowsill and the kitchen, and I'll be able to just snip them when I'm ready. Any of the leftover basil, then I'm going to really pot it up into a slightly larger 4-inch pot. And I'll keep those under the grow lights, and that'll be for the next batch that I need after I've gone through these. Really, that's the secret. And then the last thing you're going to do, once you've got it all tucked in, tapped in, don't forget to label things. And you've stressed things out a little, so don't forget, this is most important, bottom watering. Water it so that the roots will want to go reach down and grab some fresh water. Now it's ready for cutting, snipping when you need it for fresh cooking, fresh meals. Thanks. Please remember to like and subscribe for more Blues Garden Tips. Thank you very much.